these memories are on my mind. All these memories contain love and cry.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Box Sleep Reviews, where our mission is to bring you up-to-date insights on bed-in-a-box mattresses and help you navigate your next mattress purchase. Today, we've got something really special in store for you, our full review of the DLX LatexLux Hybrid. Could this mattress be the one that finally delivers customized comfort, luxury, and durability all in one? Stick around because we've put it to the test with our extended sleep trial, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. First things first, let's talk about DLX. This isn't just any mattress in a box company. DLX, a family-owned manufacturer with over a century of experience, has been handcrafting high-quality mattresses since 1886 in Jamestown, New York. Just within the past decade, DLX entered into the bed-in-a-box industry, and let me tell you, they've brought their A game. Every DLX mattress is handmade to order, and that level of craftsmanship shows in their deliverable product to the consumer. They offer an honest lifetime warranty and a comfort assurance program. This comfort assurance program is unique in the industry, and it is designed to ensure that you are getting a lifetime of comfortable sleep. And it's just one way that DLX continues to shine in customer service and experience. The comfort guarantee covers personal comfort preference changes throughout the mattress lifetime, and it's separate from their product warranty. Essentially, it allows you to get a new mattress at 50% off anytime after your original DLX purchase. No questions asked. Now that's customer service. All right, let's talk about what really matters, how this mattress feels. We tested the 12-inch LatexLux King in a split soft medium firmness. The standout feature? The 3-inch Dunlop latex comfort layer. If you've never slept on latex before, here's the deal. Unlike memory foam that gives you that deep sink-in feel, latex gives you a gentle lifting sensation while still offering pressure relief. It's responsive, breathable, and extremely durable. Not only is the DLX LatexLux comfortable, it also offers excellent support. With 6-inch pocketed coils, this hybrid model has a slightly firmer, more supportive feel than DLX's 14-inch hybrid version. The support system has less sinkage, better spinal alignment, and it's still incredibly comfortable, especially for both back and side sleepers. Now, these next two features are where DLX really stands out in the online mattress industry. They've designed a zipper quilted top cover that gives you access to swap out the comfort layers. Not happy with the firmness? No problem. Just unzip, swap, and customize your sleep comfort from home. If you and your partner have different comfort needs, the split firmness option makes sure both of you get the sleep you deserve, without that annoying gap in the middle. DLX offers several comfort materials including latex, memory foam, and high-density polyfoams in varying degrees of firmness. This innovative design and broad comfort material selection truly allows DLX to cater and meet the needs for most individuals. Here's a nice close-up of the two different layers of latex in our split comfort king. On the left-hand side, you have a soft Dunlop latex layer, and on the right side, you have a medium Dunlop latex layer. What's really nice about these two layers is they fit together perfectly and create a nice, smooth surface. Next, we're going to demonstrate the responsiveness and bounce using a 5-pound dumbbell weight. It also should give you an idea of the difference in sinkage or pressure relief between the soft on the left and again the medium on the right. This all said, the Latex Lux might not be the ideal fit for everyone. If you're someone who prefers a deep, slow sinking hug from memory foam, we would suggest looking into a different product like the DLX Memory Max or even the DLX Premier Hybrid. Latex has a different feel and it's more buoyant and responsive. There you have it, the DLX LatexLux Hybrid, a handcrafted, customizable, and extremely durable quality mattress that's made right here in the USA. If you're looking for a luxury hotel feel and long-term support and flexibility, this is one worth exploring and utilizing the 100-night sleep trial to see if it's your perfect match. Want to try it for yourself? Head to dlxmattress.com and don't forget to use our exclusive discount code BOXEDSLEEP at checkout for an additional $100 off any mattress. Please check out Box Sleep Review's rebate program and earn yourself up to $75 in cash back. Head on over to boxsleepreviews.com for more details. Hit the like button, subscribe for more in-depth mattress reviews, and drop a comment below. What's your ideal mattress feel? Let's talk all things sleep.
Only your sweet noise makes me feel so you.